Next up is Dani Pergola from Ecology, Evolution, and Conservation Biology presents Hidden Giants, Estimating Hellbender Populations with Artificial Nest Boxes.
Snot otter, lasagna lizard, devil dog. What do these names have in common? They're all nicknames for the eastern hellbender salamander, the largest amphibian in North America. Whatever you call it, the hellbender is an aquatic salamander that lives in clean, fast-flowing streams and can grow up to 2 feet in length. They're also what scientists call an indicator species, meaning they act as a canary in a coal mine and can tell scientists whether an environment is polluted or healthy based on how well they can survive there. They used to have large populations throughout the eastern US, but those numbers have plummeted by up to 80% in recent decades due to pollution and habitat destruction. Before we can protect hellbenders, we need to know how many are left. This is difficult, however, because they are a highly secretive animal and live under large, flat rocks that can be up to the size of a car hood. So for decades, scientists have been lifting giant rocks to locate and count the hellbenders underneath them. This is dangerous not just for the scientists, but also for the hellbenders, because rock lifting is disruptive to their nests and to their behavior. My project involves testing a new, safer, and less invasive method to keep an eye on hellbender populations. We created hundreds of concrete boxes that can be used as nests by hellbenders, and installed 150 of them in 2 Pennsylvania waterways. These boxes weigh around 100 pounds each and have a removable lid so we can investigate the hellbenders inside without being so disruptive to the stream habitat. We checked our boxes 20 times over the course of 3 years, and when we found a new hellbender inside, we gave it a tiny tag like the ones we give to our cats and dogs. Imagine holding a slimy, wriggling, 2-foot-long bundle of muscles and dodging its attempts to bite you while trying to measure it and give it a tiny microchip. By tagging new hellbenders each time we surveyed and recapturing old ones, we were able to create an estimate of how many lived in each stream. We found our 2 study sites had 2 very different population sizes. One had around 38 adult hellbenders, while the other had around 66 adults in the same area of stream habitat. We also compared the lengths of the hellbenders we found in our nest boxes to a previous study done in the same area that used those traditional rock lifting surveys, and we found that there was no significant difference in the size of hellbenders captured by the 2 methods. This means that the nest boxes capture an equivalent sample to those rock lifting surveys without being so invasive and dangerous to researchers and animals. This is the first study that uses non-invasive methods to estimate hellbender populations. This is crucial information for conservation, providing a new tool for researchers and wildlife managers to keep an eye on these animals and make informed decisions about their protection. But it's not just about the salamanders. Knowing how many hellbenders live in a stream also tells us how healthy it is, and whether it's good for things like fishing, swimming, or even if it can be used as drinking water without much treatment. Healthy hellbenders mean a healthier environment for people too. Thank you.